Okay, wanted to give a little walking tour of the converted old horse barn here at the new Old World Garden Farms into the party barn. We really wanted a space that we could entertain with when we have garden classes here, maybe cook out for people, and of course have a lot of family functions as well, which includes a wedding coming up this year of the first of our 4 kids. So we'll see how that goes. We added this on here. This is the main structure here that was here. It was pretty bad. There was an old pen back here, I believe, for some chickens or goats that we had to tear off, clear it all out, and then we added on this lean-to. Lean-tos are a great way to get outdoor coverage space for a little cost compared to trying to enclose something. But this is the outdoor kitchen area. That's our Argentinian grill there that we can grill really anything on for large crowds. The pizza oven. We cheated a little this time. We built our own pizza oven last time, and this one is an Italian pizza oven that we just wanted to be able to make pizzas a little bit quicker. I love the water tanks that we have all over the farm, but this one's great. It collects water from the barn. Any of the overflow, you see that black pipe, which we will later bring it straight down. That goes into the drain system. This is 300 gallons. It gives us water for using here, and then also we need to power wash things off. And then the outdoor fireplace. So this is really a nice area for people to be able to hang out, for us to be able to cook. And then we built the bathhouse up here on the corner. It's got 2 bathrooms and 2 showers. Our time on the road and campgrounds, at many campgrounds as we went around the country, taught us what we liked most about when people stay. And this is a nice way to be able to walk up and have restrooms close by. And if someone does stay overnight in one of the cabins, here's one there you can see, they have a place to shower up, and it's also great for when we have events. So here's a little bit other view. You'll see the lodge and the house up there. This is the landscaping we just put in, and then this is the back view. On the back side of the barn, there was this old lean-to that we almost tore off, and I'm so glad we didn't. I'll give you a little bit of view as I go around here. We had these old tree groves. We cleaned them up. They were pretty messy. As you can see, they're pretty tall trees. But we cleaned them up, and we took this little lean-to, had to re-support some of the beams, put a new roof on it, and it's now the outdoor bar, which is kind of great. It's a little kitchen bar area so that we can have more people seated if they want. We kind of put a little fridge in there, the lights, and then I love this rain chain. We saw these in Hawaii. On this side of the gutter system, it comes down and the rain just follows it down on a hard rain and goes right into the drain. It's just a neat little effect, just something different we could do. We opened up that opening there in the door as you look through and see the Old World Garden Farm sign. That is opened up so that we can have more space in here. That was closed off in the previous barn. This was the original structure here. It's about 36 by just about 18. It's kind of neat. I'll take you in. All of these posts, obviously this was a massive dirt floor, and we had to dig it all out to be able to put concrete in. This was the sign from our old farm that was outside. We took it down piece by piece to bring here. But I was going to tell you about the posts. You can see on some of these posts where the horses gnawed off on them in the stalls. We loved that look, so we kept it and just kind of wanted this to be an open area. Made this light out of some old beams. Just strung some LED lights on that. And then this extra lean-to we added on, which is another 36 by 12 area in the front to go into the courtyard. The courtyard sat down about, I don't know, about 3 feet. And we wanted an area where people could go out on nice days, hang out, enjoy each other, be around the fire pit here. We built the fire pit the same way we built our last one. We dug it down in. As you can see, we have a cooking bar on there that we can put soups and pots on if we wanted to do an outdoor event and do it that way. We can have that. But the courtyard was to be the center, really. So each of these little sleeping cabins that we have here, if you look in the back, you'll see they all have their own grill and a little table where people can sit, but they can still be part of the main courtyard and the barn area. So this old barn, as you see the front roof, we closed in the front with some old barn woods up top. Really kind of gives a good effect, and I'll kind of take you around. Still doing construction here and still will be probably for the next 30 to 60 days. But all of these cabins kind of center around into the look of the old barn. So we're real happy how it turned out. It was kind of an eyesore when we bought the property. As you can see from pictures from the article, you could barely see it, but we're super happy with how it turned out, and hope to have many, many family and gardening events here in the coming years.